Kunjani bafethu? Two things happened kule game ye Richards Bay versus the Orlando Pirates bafethu. Number one, Orlando Pirates players didn't take their opportunities. History ke say Orlando Pirates isizini yonke ke lena bafethu. If you've been watching Orlando Pirates since the start of the season, then you'll know ukuthi Orlando Pirates have not been taking their opportunities. Number two, I think coach Abdeslam Wadu made a mistake by substituting Ozuna As much as Ozuna started off the game very slow in the first half, he got an opportunity and he didn't take that opportunity, right? But in the second half, Ozuna was buzzing, right? Coach Abdeslam Wadu keep Ozuna and he even got the first goal in Orlando Pirates, right? After keeper, it felt like Orlando Pirates were playing like a team that were leading. And Orlando Pirates at the time, they were still chasing the game, right? For me, I think Tepang Muremi should have been substituted very early on in the game. I think his second half fanele ukuthi abuye nje Tepang Muremi because we saw him in the first half. He didn't have a good game. But ke wamkhipha ku-Ozwinopolis igame yaphela nya. Yes, u-Andre de Jong was needed. Yes, uTito Masongai was needed. But bofana ubafake akhona nayo Ozwinopolis bozoba no De Jong unoRelebogile Mofokeng uno-Opolis unayo Tito Masongai. That's creativity. And another thing bafethu, Orlando Pirates, they really need to search for a lethal striker. Yanele Mphutuma, he's learning the hard way bafethu at Orlando Pirates, right? But for evidence Mahopa, yes, uzamile kancane but umjita, I think uyahluleka ukuzenzela space if there's somebody who's marking him. Into besedingeka la creativity, playing off the ball, right? And I think it's not a bad result for you Orlando Pirates, right? But I think Amabhakani are thinking of the kind of team that they are up against. I'm sure Nababaya should say, this is done bafethu. Mara sobon, salute.
Hey, yabona nje indida ke lento esanda kuyibona lapha eMhlathuzi. Imanga zaseMhlathuzi. So Orlando Pirates plays to a 2-2 draw with Richards Bay. I think we all knew that this game was going to be a very difficult game for Orlando Pirates because Richards Bay or Richards Bay, right? So the game was going to be a bit challenging. Is the league gone? Maybe not. Asaz. Anyways, let's talk about the game. The Orlando Pirates could have won this game. I mean, Mofokeng could have had 3 assists. Yabona the assist I niggas Apolis scored. There was his 3rd assist of the game. To ama players actually could punish. Uniges Ozwinopolis and scathed the ball. Mphutuma gave him an opportunity, scathed the ball. Angazi bekwenzakala namhlanje Orlando Pirates, but they got their opportunities. They did not punish. The ground was very small, and as a result, it had an impact on the game. In a sense, the Pirates couldn't utilize their width because it was so compact. Usually, Pirates is a gadla ngohoto, igadla ngomremi on the left, igadla ngosibelebele uphethe imoto bafethu, and the engine is servicing. Ebese igadla futhi ngo-Ozwinopolis on the right. But kule game the ground was so small, the defense was so compact, they couldn't utilize the width, and as a result, they had to try to penetrate from inside. And it's difficult to penetrate from inside when you are facing a low block. I mean, there was a time where Umremi would try and cut inside because inside in a Konagal. There was a time where Mofokeng would leave the 10 position. Ozwinopolis operates in the 10 because now they were right at Konagal. So they had to try Indlela, so which penetrated from inside, but to no success because the ground was so small, the defense was so compact. Richards Bay were using a counter-attacking football. I mean, at some point they would set pressing traps. So what I mean by that, they would know when to press, they would know when to release the press. But when they realize if it's space, they would press them. That's why the likes of Abombata, beginning of the game, they had opportunities to shoot at goal from outside the box. But after Richards Bay realized that no, if we continue to give our midfielders a Pirates this space, let's initiate the pressing traps. Umbata couldn't operate, didn't have the space. Ama wingers didn't have the space, and then Pirates, they were forced to utilize Ama wing backs abo. And when they utilize Ama wing backs abo, they leave a lot of spaces in behind for Ama attackers to run into. That's why the likes of Abo Panizi, they had the ball. Upanizi ran a lot at the defensive Pirates. Ugume, they ran a lot at the defensive Pirates because of the spaces that they've left behind, and the Richards Bay were utilizing them. And it was because they got the 2 goals, even though the goals came was spectacular goals, but yeah, it worked for them. So great game plan by Richards Bay. Poor finishing by Pirates could have won the game. Maybe it's gone. Maybe it's not.
Noma singahlala isikhathi eside emuva njenge-Arsenal yaseMzansi kodwa elodwa la so ke sihlala number 1 kwaya asinandaba noma singaba yi-Arsenal yaseMzansi kodwa lo nkulunkulu lo esimthandazayo sithanda sonke siyoyithatha ibhethu asazi ukuthi kumuphi unyaka kodwa ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu uyophendula umthandazo wethu.
Let's say it together. Give them the league. Give Mamelodi Sundowns the league. They are mentality monsters. They come here, whip it, leave, go to Africa. They're not even here for this. No, they Sundowns dangerous. Sundowns make other teams drop points and they out the country. Sundowns, and Richards Bay were well prepared for the dark cloud I warned them about. I said I want a 7-2-1 formation, 8-1-1. You saw that they were sitting back, catching Orlando Pirates on the counter. You see, it's not easy playing Richards Bay when they beat you on the counter. That's what they did to us. Okay, they didn't beat you, at least you threw. To us, they made us twerk. On the counter attack, they sit back, we are taking numbers, transition, score goal. Same thing they did to you, transition, they score goal. What a game. What a game. Orlando Pirates, something was lacking. The energy was a little bit off. So 2 games in 1 week and Orlando Pirates cannot handle it. Pirates dropping crucial points. Yes, they were dominating in every aspect, especially ball position. They were dominant. But it wasn't the same firepower we've been accustomed to from the past 2 games. And you know what's funny? Me and the GOAT mentioned this. Me and Junior Kanye said Orlando Pirates somewhere along the line. We see a draw coming up. They are going to draw points. They might not lose, but they will get a draw. And I know some of you don't believe me. Like, hey, when did you say this? Last night. Have a look at this here. On the way, we both see Pirates throwing a game. Don't ask me which game. And it could be the derby. It could be any other game. But he also says it. And I said it as well. And as you can see, I told you so. You know how I'm good at this thing. Straight. I called a draw the night before they were going to play. And today I want Richards Bay about a dark cloud. And Richards Bay were ready to fight. Richards Bay were fighting. But yeah, let's talk about the goals. Those goals were fantastic. All throughout. Richards Bay's first one. Richards Bay's second one. Rockets. Siema, my daughter. And we cannot ignore the pass that Mofokeng played. Sis, everybody tried to header it past the Richards Bay player. He couldn't just header it, landed at Apollo's feet. Mofokeng, you played a ball there straight up with Jellastan. That was an amazing ball, straight. But yeah, that's how it goes. The rest of us, let's play from number 2 to number 8.
Hey, bekunzima. Siphathe safa. Okwendimincile inkomba sawuthini ebantwini. Ndithi sawuthini ebantwini sesithethe kangaka. Sawuthini ebantwini. Bekunzima apha. Ingcono kwayile draw. Half a loaf is better than no bread. Hey, hayi bekunzima apha. Siphathe sayinhlekisa. At least noko ngoku noba siyahlekwa noko asihlekwa ngalendlela ebesizohlekwa ngayo. Hey kuphansi kwakubi. Bokunzima kule game. Hey bokunzima. Hayi Sundowns akapheli madoda Sundowns. Sisekhona. Ziseninzi ezigame wena azikho mbalwa. Seninzi into engenzeka nalapho kuni. Bendichilo ndisatshona ngoku. Bendithe kuni it's not guaranteed dead. Uba nizoziwina zonke igame zenu. Ndisatshona ngoku andikayeki. Yeah. Hey. Maphakani. nesisavile bafethu besizohlekwa besoba inhlekisa yebo kunzima pha ubaba kuyiChiefs le ngeyifile yabona yeah akayifile ubaba yiChiefs ngeyifile
Ndasho nathi siyiKaizer Chiefs ileague sizoyithatha kanje. Omeza abayithandi ileague abayifuni basithandela nje MTN oboma Black Label ileague abayifuni. Yabona xa kuqala zithi nje sekuzophela isizini sekusela imidlalo embalwa bazolokhu badropa babhubhudle amagoli bawadla bawagqiba kwiGolden Arrows ndibuza indaba lamagoli hey lamagoli eniwabhubhudla ngani iziwadinga na badinga namhlanje ngoba ileague abayithandi abayifuni inhlobo ileague kulapho ke thina singena khona yabona ukudrop ama-point qalile bazolokhu bedrophile siyeqa ke ngokuthina siyedlula sifike siphakamise sibe zi-champions zaseNaturena kanjalo nje.
Hayi I guess ngisheshe ngamncoma lo muntu ayikho lento yakhe ngizoyinika abadlali credit ngimiyeke yena siyawina nje ngofinder ngathi siqhumisa cricket noma ngathi sihlaza amabhola esnooker ayikho lento le lo muntu uyahluleka ukuread igame afethu iground incane kumele sidlala ama short passes bekumele afake umbule egroundini akhiphe lo mngani wakhe umntanjelo wenza njani yena nonsense yani le supply hayi lo muntu lo ngeke bafethu lo awucabanga makuthiwa mfethu akamkhipha uApollis kulama opportunities amangaka esiwa createile emva kokuthi aphumile uApollis ukuthi ngaba akakoranga yena kuma rebound ke ngoba phela uyagap uApollis awuyacandisa lo coach hey fethu how
we can see that
Aye bafethu that's it for video namhlanje and into engayisho bafethu ukuthi ivayile. There's 6 games left and to be honest I don't see Sundowns dropping points kuwo wonke lama teams yakhona mfethu because i-team ebingashaya Sundowns this season iPirates and we couldn't do it. So if thina siyiPirates we couldn't beat Sundowns, why expect ukuthi iPolokwane City izodla Sundowns? Like even nje ne-draw it's kunzima mfethu, it's hard mfethu and angifuni ukusana negative mfethu but ayivayile bafethu and enye into like khona ipattern zakalayo ne because as much as ungathanda mfethu ama-player amasha ethimini afikile mfethu because afikile mfethu abane-influence abane-impact nawo mfethu adlalile mfethu asikhostile kakhulu this season. New players cost us a lot this season bro. Number one so we-CAF Champions League uMbuthuma misses i-penalty. We couldn't come from Buthuma because isina player Usbisi missed the penalty. So okay, cool. So ngeke so yes Buthuma someka because usafika ushawe pressure ama fans wara Champions League akere. Okay, sure. Undaba missed the penalty with Nedbank. We couldn't come for him now because Uhoto missed the penalty. A senior player. Ne? Against Sundowns first leg. Only if we say mfethu we could have just passed la ball mfethu to Mremi dog ngabe mfethu sikhulume enye into manje. Namhlanje if someone communicated kusema ukuthi sema lelo ball ayileke or flick kube ikhona. So nje mfethu most of our mistake mfethu this season mfethu or izinto ezisikostile mfethu they stem from ama player fikayo Pirates. So angazi how I feel about that. So kumele sibajudge or kumele lento sibone as a cave yokukhula mfethu or something or a learning lesson or a learning curve into kanjalo yabo lento leyo because basikhoste kakhulu mfethu even namhlanje mfethu sibelebile mfethu just pass the ball bese uMbuthuma akafuna ukora when you have players are selfish. Last game I was talking about sibelebile ngithi I am happy with the way he's playing because manje mfethu ngathi akasekho selfish, he just wants to help the team ukuthi win. But namhlanje mfethu ay mfethu umoya wami uphansi mfethu and sure I came into the game ngazi ukuthi iRichards Bay mfethu is not an easy team to beat especially eKZN kulesa stadium mfethu sincane dog. It's hard to play against them because bona mfethu once bakora dog, it's hard because babe compact and it's not like we can try to stretch them because once when I was ukugijima uvela uphume. That's why bengisho ukuthi umremi dog bukade kumele ephume nje early. Budinga ama-player afana noMaswangane dog. Umuntu who doesn't use speed but uses ingqondo yakhe to play ball. Yabo lento le. So nje I don't know mapakane ukuthi how you guys feel about the game yanamhlanje. It's a draw. Abanye bayipi ukuthi draw, but mina even equal is 2 of it, I couldn't celebrate it. I couldn't celebrate equal is 2 because it was, like with Malangena I was like, yeah, it draw. And that's not what I wanted coming into this league game namhlanje. We keep us losing. League as losing because we're losing. We keep drawing our games we're not supposed to draw. And I'm a play Paris but like you selfish for it. Azini ngiphelele angazi nokuthi ngithini so nje bafethu ngizonibona ngegame ezayo bafethu. Please make sure ukuthi na comment and subscribe ngibuka ama ads and yeah sure bafethu, let's keep growing the channel yabo. Ngiyabonga bafethu.